Hello guys, in this video we're going to show you the ChatGPT error pre-auth play integrity verification failed, and we're going to show you how to fix this. So let's get started. Now go to your mobile device. I'm going to use an emulator to show you carefully on a big screen. So you just need to go to your phone settings and choose applications. Okay, click on that. And for example, I'm just going to select a random application here. For example, let's just say, let's see, TikTok. So first, you would like to make sure this is to click force stop. Okay, just imagine this is ChatGPT. Then after that, click on storage, clear storage and cache. Okay, choose both just to make sure this error will be fixed after we close the application. After that, restart your phone. Okay, then open ChatGPT. And this will fix the error which says pre-auth play integrity verification failed. So I hope you found this video very helpful.